Hi, my name's Sarah. I'm from Swindon in the UK and I went to Melbourne, Australia for my graphic design internship. So up until about a year and a half ago, I was working for a telecoms company and I got to the point where I just realised it wasn't for me anymore. So I explored doing something completely different. So when I applied to do the graphic design degree, I was really eager to get some skills under my belt in terms of how to do graphic design. But what I realised is that what you can't show when you've got the qualification of graphic design is that you can actually work within a company, understand how everything works together. So what I thought was really important was to, as well as getting the degree, get some practical experience as well and show that I could apply those skills in a workplace. So my internship was at a fashion design boutique in Melbourne. They didn't have an in-house graphic design team, so when I went in there as a graphic designer, I was the only one, which gave me the opportunity to really put my mark on the design work that they needed doing. So when I was looking around for internships, there's various different possibilities. When I found the intern group and had, the opportunity to go abroad as well as get the experience, to me that was a no-brainer. I think if you can show an employer that you're willing to travel halfway around the globe to get that experience and work there, it just shows your character and your tenacity going forwards that degree and career. So before I went for my internship with the intern group, I didn't have any experience with graphic design at all. Since the programme, I've managed to secure 2 different jobs in design agencies and show that I was able to apply my skills previously. I've also managed to pick up freelance work as a designer as well, which I would never have been able to do if I hadn't been able to add design work to my portfolio. To people that are considering a career change and think it's too scary or not possible, I'd say just take the leap of faith. If you set your mind to something, you can do it. Don't put up with the role you're currently in just because it's comfortable and familiar. You have to put yourself out of your comfort zone to reap the rewards back. I'd say to anyone considering it, absolutely do it. Working abroad has so many benefits. It's not just the work, it's not just the job, it's about the lifestyle and who you can meet along the way. I would definitely recommend the intern group. If you are considering a career move, it's given me massive confidence in actually working in the industry, so I cannot sing its praises enough.